Hello and welcome to the Office Superheroes channel. My name is Nicola, and in today's video we're going to show you how to find the largest number in Excel. Finding the biggest number can take a lot of time, but today we're going to show you a simple feature that can save you time and make your job easier. We'll show you how to do it. As we already know, Excel always offers us multiple solutions to a single problem. It's the same with finding the largest number. Today, however, we will show you the easiest and very fast way. First, we need to click in the cell in which we want to display the largest number. In our case, this is cell G3. In this cell we want to display the maximum number of caps sold. Let's go to the Home tab. We click on the Sum button. We will see the menu. Since we now want to find out the maximum sales, we will select the max function. Excel will immediately insert the formula into our cell. Now we can select the area in which we want to find the maximum value. By dragging the mouse, we can select a range of cells. We will select the range of cells C3 to F3. We press the Enter button. Great! The largest number in the table will now appear in the cell we selected. If we want to copy the formula to the remaining rows, we simply just click in the right corner of the cell and drag and drop it into all the cells where we want to look for the largest number. Great! So what do you say? It was easy, right? If you liked the video and found it useful, don't forget to let us know via like or comment. If you want to see more videos on how to learn Excel quickly and easily, subscribe to the Office Superheroes channel. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next video.